Guys, I'm Okita and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys new here then welcome to my channel. So guys, Nykaa Naturals just have launched their new hair care range and they have come up with shampoo and conditioner, and this range delivers a variety of international formula through the science of natural ingredients curated for specially Indian hair types. And there are total two different variants. The first one is onion and fenugreek shampoo and conditioner, and the second one is apple cider vinegar and ginger shampoo and conditioner for multiple hair concerns. The onion and fenugreek shampoo and the conditioner promotes hair growth, prevent hair fall and increases blood circulation to the hair follicles for healthy and voluminized hair, whereas the apple cider vinegar and ginger shampoo and the conditioner combats dandruff, clarifies scalp, removes sweat and dirt, balances pH of the hair, and indirectly promotes the hair growth. They have sent me this PR kit and I have received the Nykaa Naturals apple cider vinegar and ginger shampoo and the conditioner. The shampoo retails for $3.99 and you're gonna get 200 ml of product, whereas the conditioner retails for $3.33 and you're gonna get 180 ml of product. All their products are paraben free, cruelty free, SLS and SLES free, mineral oil free, pathlate free, and 100% natural actives product. The shampoo comes in this kind of bottle packaging, whereas the conditioner comes in this kind of tube packaging. And guys, I love the packaging. This is kind of very cute girly packaging. This apple cider vinegar one comes in this kind of pink packaging, whereas that onion one comes in sort of lavender colored packaging, and I love both of the color. So yeah, I love the packaging, and these products are available on Nykaa stores and nykaa.com, and I will share the product link into the description so that you can check it out easily. This apple cider vinegar and ginger shampoo and conditioner contains with natural ingredients like organic apple cider vinegar, ginger extract, jojoba or jojoba seed oil, lemon peel oil, tea tree oil. It also have niacinamide, citric acid, provitamin B5, etc, etc. Now this makes for a perfect shampoo if you have dandruff or if you have itchy scalp. This shampoo is creamy in texture. Though this is an SLS or SLES free shampoo, it lathers really well on your scalp. The presence of slightly acidic actives help to balance the pH of the hairs. The antimicrobial actives keeps infection at bay. Alpha hydroxy acids or AHAs exfoliate the scalp. This shampoo does have mild fragrance, which I love absolutely. After shampoo, follow it up with the conditioner. The consistency of the conditioner is a little thicker than the shampoo, and like any other conditioners, apply it on the length of your hair, leave it for a few minutes, then wash it off with water. And guys, you can rinse both the shampoo and the conditioner very easily. So in short, the shampoo and the conditioner combats dandruff, clarifies scalp, balances pH of the hair, prevents hair breakage, and invigorates the scalp to indirectly impact hair growth. Guys, I have almost all kind of hair related problems. I have oily scalp, I have dandruff, I have huge hair fall issues, and I have been using these two products for almost a month now. Generally, I don't expect too much from any washable products, but it actually reduces hair dandruff without making my hair frizzy or dull. It also reduces that scalp itching and provides healthy looking silky and shiny hair. So definitely you can give it a try if you have oily scalp with dandruff, and that's my opinion, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and guys follow me on Insta. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.